Hello, this is Andy, WMSOhio.com. Today I'm going to show you a 2003 Ford van, Econoline. This box van has 102,000 miles on it. Make sure you look at all the close-up pictures. Rims are rusty. Front tires I'm going to call it 80% or better. Rear tires are about down to 10. Surface rust across the entire underbody. Front cap starting to rust on the bottom there. Just a typical old box work truck. I'm going to assume the door is stationary. It may open, it may not. I did not try. Box is in pretty good shape. Got a couple scuffs on the other side. A little gouge on this side. It's going to be your worst. Right there. Van runs and drives good. No real mechanical issues to note. Again, this is an 03 Ford Econoline box van with 102,000 miles here at WMSOhio.com.